Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, my name is Rashil Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today's topic is Picnic, Unit 12, Grade 2, Balochistan Textbook Board Quetta. So let's start. Pre-reading. What animals can you see in the picture? What is the name of the place shown in the picture? What animals can you see in this picture? You can see elephants, hippopotamus, and many other. What is the name of the place shown in the picture? The name is Zoo. Last Sunday, Saad went to a park with his family. There were beautiful flowers and shady trees in the park. There were slides and swings for children. They were enjoying while going up and down. The children were running here and there. Saad and his sister Sarah started playing with other children. There was a small zoo in the park. They saw parrots, pigeons, doves, peacocks, eagles, and tortoises. They liked peacocks and parrots very much. They took lunch at 2 o'clock. After lunch, Saad and Sarah collected all waste and threw it in the dustbin. Their parents packed all the other things. At 6 o'clock, they came back home. They all enjoyed the picnic. Last Sunday, Saad went to a park with his family. पिछले इतवार साद अपने खानदान के साथ एक पार्क गया. The park had beautiful flowers and shady trees. पार्क में खूबसूरत फूल और सायादार दरख्त थे. There were slides and swings for the children. बच्चों के लिए स्लाइड और झूले थे. They were enjoying themselves while going up and down. वो ऊपर नीचे जाते हुए लुत्फ अंदोज हो रहे थे. The children were running here and there. बच्चे इधर उधर भाग रहे थे. Saad and his sister Sarah started playing with the other children. Saad और उसकी बहन सारा ने दूसरे बच्चों के साथ खेलना शुरू कर दिया. There was a small zoo in the park. पार्क में एक छोटा सा चिड़ियाघर था. They saw parrots, pigeons, doves, peacocks, eagles, and tortoises. उन्होंने तोते, कबूतर, फाख्ते, मोर, उकाब और किचुए देखे. They liked peacocks and parrots very much. उन्हें मोर और तोते बहुत पसंद थे. They had lunch at 2 o'clock. उन्होंने 2 बजे खाना खाया. After lunch, Saad and Sarah collected all the waste and threw it in the dustbin. दोपहर के खाने के बाद साद और सारा ने तमाम फुजला इकट्ठा किया और उसे डस्टबिन में फेंक दिया. Their parents packed everything else. उनके वालिदैन ने सब कुछ पैक किया. At 6 o'clock, they came back home. 6 बजे वो घर वापस आए. They all enjoyed the picnic. वो सब पिकनिक से लुत्फ अंदोज हुए. Words meaning Sunday, इतवार. went, gaya. Family, khandan. Beautiful, खूबसूरत. Flower, pool. Shady, sayadar. Enjoy, लुत्फ अंदोज होना. Zoo, चिड़ियाघर. Parrots, तोते. Pigeon, कबूतर. Doves, फाख्ते. Peacock, मोर. Eagles, ओकाब. Tortoises, किचुए. Lunch, दोपहर का खाना. Collected, जमा किए. Packed, बांधे. Dustbin, कचरादान. Picnic, सैर. Parents, वालिदैन. Threw, panke. Waste, कचरा. Came, आए. Answer the following questions. Write complete sentences. When did the family go to the park? Answer. The family went to the park last Sunday. What things were there in the park? Answer. There were beautiful flowers and shady trees in the park. Who started playing with the other children? Saad and his sister Sarah started playing with the other children. What time did they take lunch at? They took lunch at 2 o'clock. Where did Saad and Sarah throw the waste? Answer. Saad and Sarah collected all waste and threw it in the dustbin. Prepositions: up and down. Sarah and Saad are on a seesaw. Sarah is up and Saad is down. Up. Sarah, this is Sarah and Sarah is up. Down. This is Saad and he is down. Here and there. Children are playing here and there. Activities. Writing. Write the naming words or nouns and action words, or you can say verbs, shown in the picture. Naming words, those are swing, tree, bench, children, birds, girl, boy, and many others. Action words: skipping, walking, flying, playing. First, first. Second, second. Third, third. Fourth, fourth. Fifth, fifth. Sixth, sixth. Seventh, seventh. Eighth, eighth. Ninth, ninth. 10th, 10th. Activity: give names to the cyclists and tell who got first position in the race. Ali got first position. Who got fourth position in the race? Bilal got fourth position. Who was second? Jamal was second. Who was at the fifth position? Asif was at the fifth position. First, he is Ali and he is Jamal. Third. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Activity. First Ali, second Jamal, third Saad, fourth Bilal, fifth Asif. Who is the first? Ali is first. Who is the fifth? Asif is fifth. Who is the third? Saad is third. Who is the fourth? Bilal is fourth. Who is the second? Jamal is second. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe our channel, Compete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Please remember that our channel is only on WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Allah Hafiz.